you have high hopes for a hairstyle, but it turns out completely opposite of what you expected. So I'm doing another one of those videos. I am following blah blah blah's hair tutorial. Today I will be following IAMTRAEH. I'm sure you already know who she is. I mean, like, duh, how could you not know who she is? This, I got high hopes. So let's do this. Let's do this.
Guys, it's Treya, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my favorite stretch style. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair.
My hair is also freshly washed and conditioned.
Using my favorite African Pride leave-in as my moisturizer.
Okay, so I went to Walmart in an attempt to look for this African Pride leave-in. Could not find it, but I found this instead. It's the same color as her conditioner. Let me show you. It's the same color as hers. Hers says leave-in conditioner. This says leave-in conditioning cream. Hers says Shea Butter Miracle. This says Cantu Shea Butter. Yeah, so it's basically the same product, I guess, but just a different brand. And honestly, this is my first time actually buying a leave-in conditioner or using a leave-in conditioner, unless I have before in the past and it just completely slipped my mind.
So I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and that's also going to act as my styler. Now for this look,
hold on, this time I actually got my spray bottle, unlike the last video. And did she just apply it all over all her head at once?
All over my hair, and that's also going to act as my styler.
And this time I don't have my laptop under me, so the water doesn't drip all over my laptop. I am all prepared this time. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this. I don't have a mirror. I don't even have my. I just said I'm all prepared, but I don't have my. You know what? We're just gonna do this without a mirror. Whatever. I don't need a mirror. Next, let me apply it in sections. We're not going to go heavy-handed on the product like I did with the last video thing. Just gonna use an acceptable amount. See, just little bits at a time. This smells freaking good. Alright, this is enough product.
Now for this look, you are going to have to flat twist your hair. So if you don't know how to flat twist as of yet, I do have a tutorial that you can watch to show you step by step how to do it. You're just going to flat twist your hair going to the front. This allows for my hair to fall nicely. And I use my fingers to part my hair, so my parts aren't going to be straight, but that doesn't matter at all. As long as your flat twists are nice and neat and that you're not borrowing hair from the other section, you'll be good to go. So make sure that you twist your hair all the way to the end. That's going to ensure that you get definition from root to tip.
Hold on.
And then I also like to do a Bantu knot at the end of the twist, and doing this gives me a lot more definition. So here I'm just doing the Bantu knot at the end, and I have found that I get a lot more definition from doing the Bantu knot rather than just letting the twist hang. So I definitely recommend doing that. So here's my last flat twist that I'm just going to speed through.
I usually like to see what my hair is looking like while I'm doing it, but I am not going to get up and get that mirror and then find something to prop it up on. Nope. Whew. Almost done. 2 braids down. I wonder how much twist she has.
So I'm going to be styling the back in the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't think I'm going to have that much. Bantu knot. You know, this video brings me back memories of when I first started a YouTube channel, because I used the same song that she's using in this video in one of my first videos. I think I remember which video it was. I think it was when I did lazy day hairstyles. I did like 5 or 4 hairstyles in one video. Ooh, that one's tight. That one's loose. Still managed to get some product on my laptop, but that's cool. Last section. Oh my god. Oh, I also put some bobby pins in like 2 of the Bantu knots because I feel like they weren't going to stay in place.
So here's my hair the next day. I'm just going to be
in a few hours when it's dry. I will come back. Okay, so it's the next morning and my hair is fully dry.
So here's my hair the next day. I'm just going to be rubbing my fingers through the back of my hair because I slept on it.
Okay, so she has way more hair than I do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush my hair. That's really all I can do. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna do this.
Now I'm going to go in with some olive oil.
Oh, and I got my mirror. I finally got my mirror.
Now to take out the twist. So I'm going to apply some olive oil to my fingers and then gently go through and take out the flat twist. If you don't want to have a lot of frizz with this style, you're going to want to make sure that you take out your flat twist slowly and try not to separate your hair as much. Now I'm just going to repeat this until all of the flat twists are taken out.
Is it still wet? It might be wet still, actually. Bro, my hair's still wet. What the f? How the hell is it still wet? How is my hair still wet? It's like damp. Can't really see. I don't have my contacts in and the mirror is way too far for me to see. Wow, this looks like crap. What the f is going on? Like, this area is more curled because of the bantu nuts. But then, like, in the back where I started the flat twists, it's way more stretched.
I wanted to give my hair a little bit more volume, so I just separated the curls a little bit more and fluffed it up a bit.
And why is my hair still wet? I actually said that I have high hopes because I actually expected it to turn out good. Guess I spoke way too soon. Alright, I don't know what to do. So, wow, this looks like shit. Okay, don't tell me I left my Afro pixie. Oh, there it is. I was about to say, when you have high hopes for a hairstyle, but it turns out completely opposite of what you expected. Like, I legit thought this was gonna turn out good because the last one was a fail and I wanted to record I tried following video that was gonna be a success. What the f? When I got closer and saw how it actually looked, boy. Alright, I'm just gonna stop complaining and just get to this.
To jazz it up a little bit, I like to throw on a cute headband and it just spices up the look.
Not mine. Ain't nothing spicy about this. Positive thoughts. Positive vibes, that's all I need right now. See, the front looks acceptable. Let me see up close. Well, never mind.
And there you go. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything, you can leave them below. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.
But, yeah. I'm gonna take this opportunity to plug my other channel. So you see this art behind me, right here and right here. I painted that myself and I don't know how to paint. So I'm gonna put a link to how to do this. I made 6 of them, well I made 7 of them. You can go ahead and click the link that will show in approximately 10 seconds. No, in approximately 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't know nobody or nobody. Always on the job, I got no hobbies. Got my city fucking with me, cause I'm homegrown. Vibing out more than my phone though. Leave me alone, me on my own though. I cut that bitch off like a net.